I made $483 today using this new make money online method, and I'm not the only one. As you can see, there is a lot of people that make even more money than I do, using this new make money online method. Today, I will teach you how it's done, and how you can also earn some free PayPal money like I did. But you need to pay a close attention throughout the whole video, and you can't skip any part of this video, because if you skip any major part of this process, you will earn no money, and let's face it, if you can't pay attention to a video for 10 minutes, how do you expect to even make money anywhere else? Before I start, make sure to hit that like button for more content like this, and make sure to smash that subscribe button as well, so you don't miss out on any money-making opportunities. Alright guys, let's get straight into the video. So the website we will be using today is called x.io. You can use this website on your mobile phone, tablet, notebook, or your desktop computer. The choice is yours. This right here is the best definition of how we are going to be making money today. Shorten, share, and earn. We will be making money by shortening various articles, and spreading them around the internet. Whenever someone clicks on our link, we will make money. You don't need to have big YouTube channel or a large social media following, because I will show you the best ways to spread your links, completely for free, and it will be even more effective than posting them on social media. But before I show you everything, I will show you the actual payment proof, so you know that this is actually legit. As you can see right here, there are all the people that withdrew money from this website. Their usernames are hidden for obvious reasons, but the amount they withdrew is not. Just look at it: $56, $65, $26, another $26, and the list goes on. And this is just the latest page. There are 3,849 pages more. If you go to the second page, there is actually a guy who withdrew $378, and if you go even further to the sixth page, you can find a guy who withdrew almost $1,000. Here you can see all the different methods they used to withdraw their money, like Bitcoin, PayPal, or Payeer. If this won't convince you that this is a very good method to make money online, I don't know what else will. Okay, so we are back at the home page of this website, and if you scroll further down, you will see that you need to create an account first. Before I show you how to create an account, I want to show you this. As you can see, this service is completely free, which is amazing because we obviously don't want to invest any money to start making money. You can even recommend this website to your friends or to strangers on the internet, and if they use your referral link, you will make even more money. Okay, so let's create an account. First, you need to click on this sign up button right here. Then, you need to enter your username, email address, password, and you need to confirm your password also. The last thing you need to do is to check this box right here and press register. Simple as that. I will now also create a brand new account to show you how to start from the beginning. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like as soon as you register into a new account. This dashboard right here will show you all necessary data you need, like views, earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM. CPM means cost per mile, which basically means how much money you will receive per 1,000 clicks. The amount you make can differ, so for example, if you receive 1,000 clicks from people that live in Greenland, you get $20, but if you get the same amount of clicks from people living in Germany, you will earn only $8.50. From my experience, people from all around the world click on those links, so we can average it out to around $12 to $15 per 1,000 clicks. This app lets you withdraw $3 minimum, so once you earn $3 or more, you can click on withdraws right here, and you can withdraw your money. You simply enter your PayPal address, and the money will be sent to your account. Okay guys, now I will show you how we can create our own link that will make us money, and will simultaneously act as a passive income source. First, you need to find an interesting article about a specific topic or a niche. The one niche that made me the most amounts of money is fitness, and there are countless topics about diet, nutrition, workout, and more. The people in this particular niche are very interested in fitness and everything about it, so it won't be hard to get some clicks from them. So for example, let's find an article about the healthiest foods. When finding an article, make sure it's not older than 3 months, so it's not completely outdated, and also because a lot of people actually pay attention to when the article has been published. So the one article that interests me the most is this one, called 100 Healthiest Foods on the Planet. This article mentions all the foods that are the most beneficial for our health, and that we should consume pretty regularly. It mentions everything from fruits and vegetables, all the way to different types of meat, so every reader will find something they like and they will learn more about the food they eat. So, this is a perfect article for us, and we will use it to make some money for us. So what you want to do is to copy this website's link. You can do it by selecting the whole link, right-clicking and selecting copy, or by using good old Ctrl+C. Now that we copied this link, we need to shorten it on x.io, so we need to open x.io and click on Create Link. Now, we will paste our link right here. You either right-click and select Paste, or you use Ctrl+V on your keyboard, either one will work. Now we click on Create, and a link has been created. We click on Copy right next to the link, and the link will be saved, so we can paste on any website or on any social media we want, and I will now show you the best way to share your links and the best websites that can help you with that. One of the simplest ways you can share your links is through Facebook groups. If people are dedicated enough to join Facebook groups in order to connect with people that have similar hobbies or in order to learn new information about their hobby or a passion, then posting there will be very beneficial for us. What you want to do is click on Search Facebook, and search for a niche that our article is about. In my case, this niche is fitness, so I will search for fitness. Now, we need to select groups. As you can see, there is a ton of groups that revolve around fitness. In most of these cases, you don't even need to be a member of a group in order to post in them, so you can post your links in every single one of these groups, and chances are that a lot of people will click on your articles. And look at the number of members these groups have: 280,000, 63,000, 355,000, and those are only the ones we can see on this screen. All of those people are potential visitors, so make sure you use Facebook groups to its full potential. Alright, let's get to the second website that we can share our links in. Our next platform is called Herculist, and it will send our link to tens of thousands emails, in just one click. As you can see right here, they have been in this business for almost 20 years, so they have definitely gained a lot of experience in marketing, so they will know the best how to spread our links all across the internet. They can send our articles to up to 150,000 emails, and all of the people that will view our articles are real, no bots. In order for you to get started, simply click on Get Started right here, register, and you are ready to go. Our last website is called Shoutcart.com, and you will want to save this website for later, because here you need to actually pay for shoutouts. So first, you need to earn some money using Herculist and Facebook groups, and then you can reinvest some of the profits you earned right here. You can actually start with this website if you have a few bucks and you want to make this whole process a bit quicker, but this is optional. So what does this website do? Well, this platform allows you to share your articles to various Instagram accounts. In order to do that, you want to click on Browse Influencers first. You can see all the categories available on the left side of your screen, and since my article is about fitness, I will choose the fitness category. Here I will select this account right here, and I can choose what kind of shoutout I want to pay for. As you can see for this particular account, if you want to share your article in their Instagram story and have a swipe up link, they will charge you $12. In order for us to make $12, we need at least 1,000 people to swipe up on their Instagram story, and since this account has over 420,000 followers, that should be no problem, and in the worst case scenario we should break even, meaning there is no risk for us. That's it for today's video. Before you go on x.io and make your own links, make sure to smash that like button for more content like this, and make sure to smash that subscribe button as well, so you don't miss out on any make money ideas.